One day, yellow mama cat and little orange tabby daughter cat went to the market.
Hey, be careful. I'm 11 too. Mom, these vegetables are talking.
Yes, we're the magical veggie team. If you eat us, you'll laugh non-stop.
I'm the tastiest one. Cook me first.
I'm the cabbage, round and neat. Cook me up, I'm a tasty treat.
We laughed so loudly that the whole market echoed with our giggles.
All right, eat us. But remember, without laughter, we won't taste good.
Meow, meow, meow. Meow. Mom, these are the funniest veggies ever.
Sweetie, laughter makes even simple veggies taste like a royal feast.
Look, Mom. Even the tomato is smiling at us.
Oh dear, even veggies want to join our comedy show. Let's invite the veggies to dance with us. Sweetie, if carrots start dancing, our kitchen will turn into a circus. Then I'll be the ringmaster of the veggie circus. Then I'll sell tickets, and the whole town will come to see our veggie circus. Mom! Our veggie circus will be the funniest show ever! Yes, sweetie, and the popcorn machine will be our circus drummer. Then the tomatoes will juggle in the spotlight. And the cucumbers will walk on the tightrope.
And the potatoes will do somersaults.
Our veggie circus will be the funniest in the world!
Sweetie, tomorrow we'll invite the neighbors to see our veggie show.
Mom, I can't wait to see the carrots do flips. The onions will make everyone laugh with their tears. Our veggie circus is the happiest, funniest show ever!
Hey, why did you pick me up? I want to dance with joy! We are magical fruits. Whoever eats us will laugh all day long.
Mom, these fruits are talking!
We are magical fruits. Whoever eats us will laugh all day long. And I'm the tastiest. Eat me first.
Sweetie, these fruits are really mischievous.
We are grapes, tiny and sweet. Eat us and get lost in a world of sweetness. The whole market echoed with their giggles.
Oh, this is so good. We love this.
All right, eat us. But remember, our real flavor comes with laughter.
Mom, these are the funniest fruits ever. Sweetie, laughter makes even simple fruits taste like a royal feast.
Look, Mom! Even the strawberry is smiling at us.
Oh dear, even fruits want to join our comedy show. Mom, let's invite the fruits to dance with us. Sweetie, if bananas start dancing, our kitchen will turn into a circus.
Then I'll be the ringmaster of the fruit circus.
Then I'll sell tickets, and the whole town will come to see our fruit circus. Our fruit circus will be the funniest show ever! Yes, sweetie! And the watermelon will be our circus drummer.
Mom,
Then the cherries will juggle in the spotlight. And the grapes will walk on the tightrope. And the bananas will do somersaults. And the pineapples will make everyone laugh with their fun hats.
Mom, the fruit circus will be the funniest show in the world.
Sweetie, the watermelon will be our drum player.
Then the cherries will juggle in the spotlight.
And the grapes will walk on the tightrope. And the bananas will do somersaults.